hello, and welcome to the Restoration Revolution Summit. I am your host, Dr. Denise Moore Revel. I am so excited that you're here today. This is our wrap up session. What an incredible journey we have been on over the last few days, okay? We will explore the topic about what it means to be restored, reclaiming your power, and ultimately rising to the leader you've called to be. Oh my goodness. I want to thank you so much for showing up, for investing in yourself. You're at the point in your life when you realize, I need to do something different. And you did exactly that. You attended this amazing summit. So, this summit wasn't just about learning and listening. It's really about your transformation. And I'm so glad you have taken the steps towards transforming your life, transforming your leadership, transforming how you show up in your family, everything. So I am so excited for you and what all of this really means. So I want you to think back just over the last few days. We shared powerful stories and insights that reminded us that rest is not a luxury. Rest is not laziness. It is a leadership strategy. Also, the reflection questions and exercises in the workbook has given you a chance to pause, to breathe, and realign with yourself. Were there any moments when you realized, like, yes, I'm giving myself permission to reclaim my joy, to reclaim my peace, and to reclaim my power? Hopefully you have. But here's the best part. You have not been on this journey alone. You have been surrounded by a community of leaders, of women leaders, who are moving in the same direction that you are, towards restoration, reclamation, and rising to higher levels. I am so excited that you are connected to a community of amazing female leaders who are realizing, I have to do this thing differently. This is our revolution, that we're going to be restored, that we're going to reclaim our power, and we're going to truly rise to our higher selves. So, again, thank you for joining us. Thank you for being a part of the summit. It's just been an amazing journey, I know, for me and everyone who's been involved. But here's a few things that I want you to remember before I go. If you have not already, make sure you download the workbook, okay? You should have already downloaded the workbook. I'm just going to say it just in case you haven't. Download your workbook because there are some reflection questions. There are some things that I want you to keep in mind as you move forward. Again, this was not about fluff and stuff, just another thing you listen. I want you to really answer the questions. That's where the change is going to take place, is that when you really stop and pause, we talked about that, and really reflect on where are you right now in your life and what are the things that you need to do differently to make those changes. Number 2, don't forget to check out the swag bag. Summit speakers, they gave you some amazing gifts and tools and resources that they use with themselves and with their clients. And so they're offering these things to you to help make a difference in your life. So make sure you take advantage of those things, okay? A lot of times we get them and don't look at them. No, get it, look at it, and use it, okay? It's going to make a difference in your life. And last but not least, it is still time for you to join us in the VIP experience. It's going to be live. We're coming together live, and we want you to join us too. You get an opportunity to meet and talk with the summit speakers. You get an opportunity to get some amazing door prizes. But more importantly, you are going to be with, again, female leaders in a community who are on this path of leading it differently, okay? And so I hope you say yes to yourself, to invest in yourself, again, to create the community, the support that you need as you move forward, okay? So the opportunity is there. I hope you take advantage of it. I hope you join us live. It's going to be so good, and I don't want you to miss it, okay? All right, so as I leave you with this thought, okay? You have done more for yourself than you can imagine just by attending the summit. How is that? Because you have planted seeds for a new chapter in your life. It's like you can't unlearn it. You can't undo it. Now that you know these things, it's going to be tugging at your heart. You're like, I got to do this thing differently this time. And so restoration is possible. Reclaiming your voice is possible. And rising is your responsibility. So don't stop now. Keep going. Keep showing up. Show up for day number 4 of our live event, okay? Where, again, the transformation will continue and help you take you to a whole another level. So thank you again. This has been the Restoration Revolution Summit, and I can't wait to see how you rise. All right, until next time, keep owning your amazing.